pleasure. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Last night, with no committee hearings, no opportunity for offering amendments, and no real floor debate, as we just talked about with the governor, the House of Representatives refused to reauthorize portions of the Patriot Act. Freedom Watch salutes all those who voted against the extension of portions of this unconstitutional law. You have a right to know this. The Patriot Act became law a month after 9/11, with no debate, none, in the House of Representatives, and very little in the Senate. In fact, in the House, members were only given 15 minutes to read the proposed Patriot Act, even though it's 315 pages long and takes about 20 hours to read. What are they afraid of? The Bush administration cowed the Congress in the days after 9/11 into enacting this monstrosity. What does it do? It permits federal agents to write their own search warrants, bypassing the requirements of the Constitution that only judges can issue search warrants. It prohibits the recipient of a search warrant from telling anyone that he's received it, bypassing freedom of speech. The Patriot Act permits federal agents to break into your home, plant listening devices, or seize property, and not tell you that they've done so for 18 months. It requires your lawyer, your doctor, your banker, your computer server, your grocer, your post office to hand over whatever the feds want without a warrant issued by a judge. These are just a few of the glaring and obvious violations of freedom of speech and the right to privacy, all guaranteed by the Constitution, that this abominable law permits. Well, parts of that law are about to expire, and the president and the Republican leadership want them renewed. And last night the House said no. Good for the House. Either the Constitution means what it says or it doesn't. Either the Congress meant what it said when it promised to uphold the Constitution, or it didn't. This is fairly basic. If the Congress thinks it can change or bypass the Constitution, then no one's life, liberty, or property is safe. Talk about safety. The TSA